What's up, everyone? I'm Bill.
And I'm Wagner.
And we're with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. We are live here in Monterey, California at the MotoAmerica World Superbike event. And it's a mouthful, so sorry. But I'm super excited. We have our media passes and we just have full authorization and full access to not only the pits behind us, but the full grid. So let's go ahead and take a quick walk down the hot pits as they're getting ready for their 1,000 races, and we'll kind of narrate through and talk to some of the pit crews maybe, but let's we don't want to interrupt too much, but we're just super excited to be able to be here, and so let's stick around. So obviously first up we've got our Monster Energy Yamaha, and we've got our Garrett Gerloff and Cameron Beaubier, and then Tony and Corey just waiting for the spots. And of course, my favorite, Tony Elias and Josh Herring. So that'll be pretty cool. And then as we head down, we've got Jake Lewis in the M4 Suzuki, and then of course, the beautiful Westby Racing. Jake Lewis's bike. These guys are getting all ready. Got the Fly Racing team heading up here. And then as we head down the grid, we've got a lot more. So of course, that's more of our factory teams. And then as we walk down the grid, we get more to our privateer guys. These guys, most of these guys, they pay to have these bikes. I mean, a lot of these people don't have a lot of big, all right, so we're gonna scoot into the wall because these guys are getting ready to go out. So we kind of want to get out of their way. We've got BMW here. All right, so
rad.
This is so rad. It's such a good experience. So basically what they're doing is they're going out on their sighting lap right now. So everybody, you're gonna see, I'm gonna turn this around in a second, but right now you're gonna see everybody basically heading out to the hot pits, or to the grid basically. So let's follow these guys, but you're gonna see all the pit crew and everybody heading out to the grid. And we have one final bike that I'm gonna wait for. So this is our 4-minute warning. So we got 4 minutes. And then, of course, my favorite. All right. So we are basically going to be heading out to basically the grid. So this is something that people don't get to experience. People don't get to see this stuff. So we wanted to be able to bring it out to you guys and show you guys what's going on. Be able to see basically what it's like to be out on the grid. I mean, this is something else. This is absolutely something else. You know, standing next to people like Kyle Wyman. He doesn't even need access to this, but Kyle. But it's just, it's almost speechless. I'm almost speechless right now. So as these guys come off their sighting lap, so you're gonna see all of the teams basically lined up in their grid position. So we're gonna kind of stand back and wait for these guys to get in here. So 3 minutes, that's what we've got, our 3-minute call. So these guys gotta get gridded up. They're obviously gonna get their tires, bikes go up on the lifts, and then you'll see here, so Jake Lewis coming through. So we've got, we are at Cameron Beaubier's. He's in the #1 spot. So we're basically sitting at #1. So he went out a little bit late, but here he comes. So Garrett Gerloff's coming in right here. And they're gonna get him up and on tire warmers pretty much immediately. And then Beaubier's I saw him coming through, so he's going to make his way through here. So Cameron Bobier's in, oh, Garrett Gerloff's in number 1, so I apologize. So you're going to see they get him up, and basically they're getting tire warmers. So see, we've got a brand new tire. We've got tire warmers going on. So to be able to see these guys, Garrett Gerloff in the number 1 position right now, taking off, this is just amazing. Amazing, guys. So we've got JD Beach coming in. So these guys are great. So Garrett Gerloff's been just killing it this weekend, absolutely killing it. And then we've got Cameron Bobier coming in and the number 2 grid position. And of course, my absolute personal favorite, which hopefully I'll be able to get to say a quick hello to Tony Elias here. And what's great about Tony Elias is he's got his wife here, he's got his kid here for the first time. It's his kid's first race, just amazing. So it's crazy, hectic, it's mayhem. I'm just trying to stay out of people's way, but at the same time, there's so many people, it's almost impossible to do. So let's walk down the grid. Let's get a quick shot of Tony Elias is here. Getting stretched out, ready to roll. Matthew Skoltz with the Westby Racing. I'm not sure where our friend JD Beach is. So Jake Lewis, longtime rider, followed him for some years, coming up from 600s all the way up to the Superbike 1000. So simply amazing to see him where he's at. Getting back to Matthew Skoltz. Over to Jake Gagne, running the Hayes BMW S1000. Heading back a little bit more on the grid. Of course, a hometown favorite, Josh Hayes, Fly Racing. And then heading back, so obviously now we're a little bit more into the privateer section. So we've got Jason Uribe here with Becky and his mom. Here, let's get around to Becky and Jason. Nicest family right there. I love them, the Uribe family. Amazing. He just wants to race. That's all he wants to do. We love Jason. Absolutely love him. So then we've got the other S1000RR here on grid. Travis Wyman trying to make it happen. And in the back, a few finals. Trevor Coffee here doing his privateer thing. And then the last 2 grids. So it's these guys back here. You know, a lot of people don't give these guys credit. And, you know, I really got to give the guys in the back of the grid a little bit more credit because they're here most of the time on their own buck. They're here paying for their own ride. Sponsorship is very, very little nowadays. So, you know, to be able to see these guys and like the Uribe family, it's all private pay pretty much. I mean, he's racing his own bike. But to kind of head back up on the grid, just this experience, I hope you guys can just feel how amazing this is to be able to walk through and just be here. Just, is this amazing, babe? So she's just been snapping pictures. She's just crazy. But you can see the people, it's just amazing. So we've got our 5-minute warning, sorry about that. Got our 5-minute warning. So let's head back to the front. And we've got JD Beach finally back on his bike. One of the most amazing looking R1s. So JD Beach was our wild card here with World Superbike this year. And struggled a little bit towards the end, but at the beginning was killing it, just doing absolutely amazing. So JD Beach. And then again, Garrett Gerloff's ready to roll. We're almost at our 4-minute warning. Just look at this, guys.
Mayhem.
So these guys are getting helmeted up. They're getting ready. Get in here. And of course, my favorite, Tony Elias. Just with this screaming fast Suzuki GSX-R 1000. He is absolutely killing it this weekend. Absolutely killing it. Hopefully Hayes can give him some run for his money and stay on track. But let's run back to Hayes. He's, Josh Herring. Josh Herring had a little mishap yesterday in race 1 and wasn't able to finish the race. But then again, back. And there he is. Basically what we call our hometown favorite.
Jimmy was trying to give me the look earlier and I kept forgetting.
So these guys are running fast. They're running fast. Generators are turning off. Warmers are coming off. These guys are absolutely getting ready. And that's kind of our cue, guys. So again, you know, growing up with AMA and just watching all of these guys and some people like Chris Ulrich and Josh Hayes, which we've got some treats for Josh Hayes, hopefully. But just to be able to be down here with these guys has just been amazing. You know, actually here's Josh right here. But you know, watching these teams and some of these teams that have been around for just years and years, and the support, M4 has been a huge support, Westby. Obviously, you've got Yoshimura, but it's good to, hopefully we can get Kawasaki factory back here and basically grow this back out to what it used to be, because it used to be just an amazing racing experience. So, but let's head over to, let's see, where can we go? We can go away. We're gonna go back, we're gonna follow Josh for a second and head over here. But that's our grid walk for our 1000 race. Thank you guys for sticking around. Hopefully you guys made it to the end, but we're about to race. Actually, you know what? We're gonna come back. Let's get the start, because the start's gonna be amazing. So let's get the start and we'll be right back. All right, guys, so we're about to get started, and let's flip this around for the race. So there's our race for our 1000, and off they go. So we've got 20 laps until we get the winner. So let's see what this is like at the winner when we finish this up. But that's the race start, and we'll see you back here in a second. All right, guys, so that is it. That is our finish. Garrett Gerloff takes first place. Tony Elias. And then we have Cameron Bobier coming in third place. So right now, the mayhem starts all over again. So stay tuned for our next video because we're heading out for our 600 race, which we will continue with the mayhem. But we will be with Josh Hayes's pit with our pit crew. But amazing to watch the race from the grid wall. But we're gonna say goodbye for this video. So with the team behind us, everybody, Tony, Corey, he's busy. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Again, make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Leave us a comment below, but stay tuned because we are about to get ready for our 600 races. So see you next video.
Bye-bye.